Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been cooking a lot more at home recently, so today I thought I'd share an easy kimchi recipe you can make at home. It's based off a recipe by Kimchi, but I made it even more simpler and it just so happens to be vegetarian. Anyways, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is cut up the cabbage. I have around 5 pounds of Napa cabbage, which is around 3 big heads of cabbage. And you're just going to cut them into bite-sized pieces and place it in a large basin. To make at home, this is a lot easier. Next, you just want to give the cabbage a good wash and rinse. Now you're going to add a half cup of salt to the cabbage. You can use sea salt, kosher salt, or coarse salt, and just toss it so that it's coated evenly. You're going to leave this for about 1.5 hours, and every 30 minutes give it a good toss. Now we're going to make the porridge that will go into the kimchi paste. You're going to want to use 1.5 cups of water and add half a cup of sweet rice flour. Bring it to a boil and stir for about 5 minutes. And don't forget to give your kimchi a good toss every 30 minutes. Now you can add 1/8 cup of sugar and stir for a few more minutes until the mixture is more translucent. Make sure to get all the clumps out. After it's a bit translucent, take it off the stove, and I like to put it in a separate bowl and into the fridge for it to cool. Now it's time to cut up all the vegetables. First, I'm going to cut about 5 green onions into thin slices. I'm going to place this all in a separate bowl. Now you want to cut up also 1 leek into thin slices. Also 1 medium carrot into matchsticks. And you're going to need about just 1 cup of radish. It's honestly to personal preference. You can have more radish if you want, but I kind of did about 1/3 of the radish I had. And you're going to want to cut that into matchsticks as well. Now the next 3 ingredients are going to be for the paste. You want to mince 1 or 2 tablespoons of ginger. Also a 1/4 cup of onion. And I just did half the onion here, which is probably more than a 1/4 cup, but I find that it doesn't change the flavor that much. Also a half cup of minced garlic. This can take quite a while sometimes, so if you have a garlic press, use it. Now that all the ingredients are prepared, you can take the paste out of the fridge. Add about half a cup of soy sauce. Now you want to add 1.5 cup of hot pepper powder, the minced garlic, onion, and ginger. Mix it till it's well combined. Now you're going to take your bowl of cut veggies and combine it with the paste. Mix it till it's well combined. At this point, it should already smell like kimchi. Take the soaked cabbage and give it a good rinse 3 times. You'll notice that it's about half the size because all the water has left the cabbage, and you just want to wash off any excess salt. Now it's time to add the sauce to the cabbage. I use gloves, but you could do this bare hand. And voila, now it's ready to be put into the container of your choice. If you eat it right now, it's gonna taste very raw and fresh. I like to eat it about maybe like 2 or 3 days later. I do like the taste of kind of like really fresh, crunchy kimchi, but if you like really fermented kimchi, then leave it for as long as you'd like. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!